Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, World War Dia Entertainment. So welcome back to my channel, guys. And we're back again with another video. So for those who don't know me, my name is Martin David Odia. Yeah, I like doing sharing the culture around. So I started this YouTube channel to share the culture around the world. So yeah, myself, I'm a Choli, so we're sharing that Choli culture around the world. So today we got a special guest with us today. We're doing a little bit something different. We're doing an interview with no other than Anthony Geru, who goes by the name Mr. President, our Choli chairman in Brisbane here. Welcome guys, Anthony.
Thank you, brother.
Hey Anthony,
Yeah.
I think it's better for you to introduce yourself to the audience.
Hello everyone. My name is Anthony Geru. My music name is Mr. President, and today is a special day for me to meet my friends. He's a new guy who is trying to make a difference in our community. It made me happy to see that we need to work together with this young fellow here so that he can actually see what we have in our community. And I'm actually chairman, but I have a lot.
Yeah. So Anthony, so you're a singer yourself, yeah?
Yeah, I'm a singer.
Yeah. May I ask you, when did you start singing?
I started singing actually when I was young, at the age of 12 years old. I started in a church, but according to my family, my family used to be, they used to play what they call adungu. So when I was young, so I used just to sneak, to see how they play. So that's how, it's come to, I think, family blood.
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. It's always good.
Yeah.
And starting the church is good too. Yeah, you learn a lot from it, more experience. Yeah, so Anthony, do you play any other instruments?
Yeah, I play adungu. That's my first instrument that I learned. And now with the modern worlds, I've learned also to play a guitar because, once you can play in adungu, so why not I can do to a guitar? So I can also play guitar.
Yeah. So Anthony, may I ask you, what would you see your career like being a singer in the future?
My career is like I'm trying to tell people who I am, and I want to show what I have, because I have a big talent, that God has given to me.
Yeah.
So I wanna do entertain people with that that music that in me.
Yeah. So when's your first song dropping? We want to hear your first song.
My first song is gonna come soon. Probably in 2 weeks time you will see my video, and it will be like Bukubu, which is gonna be, that's the first song, it's a favorite song that all the Cholis, not even the Cholis, all other tribe likes,
So what's the meaning of that song?
The meaning of that song is tell us, like, especially we are Cholis who are in Europe, especially Australia, America, we need to teach, we need to keep our culture.
Exactly.
We need to not only our culture, but to teach our language, which is Acholi, to the young one, because we come to Australia, some of the young, like, they grow, they don't know how to speak Acholi, so my message is they need to actually continue to learn our language, which is the Acholi.
So what's your favorite genre in music? What type of music do you like making?
My favorite, I'm a rumba. I'm a rumba guy. Rumba that's in Congolese, they like it because I love singing love song. Love song, because my voice is always that type of voice that actually make me real. It make the song nice, and I like, definitely Congolese music is my favorite music because also, that's quality.
Also, you have another talent. I think you know it as well. You're a dancer too. You can
course.
dance.
It come all. I can dance that way. When you're a good dancer with me, probably you can sing as well. So for me, as I was a good dancer, so now I need to show what I have. For everyone, I need to show what the talent that I have to share it, because I don't want to hide this thing. This is the moment 2020 is a year that something talked to me that, hey, you have this talent. Why can't you bring it out?
Yeah, true.
So I want to share it with my youngest artists, just to see the talent that we have to share together.
May I ask you a question?
Yeah.
So when was your first performance? Have you ever performed anywhere?
Actually, I haven't performed, but I have performed in, like, actually, we did, actually, I performed, I think, one day. That was, I think, at George surprise party.
Yep.
We performed, and the first one we performed with artists, which is Kilama Bosco.
Yep.
So we did that in Africa Refugee Day.
Yeah, he's also a good artist.
Of course,
yeah,
that is the first time we start coming out, and it was a surprise for people to see actually me to sing.
Mm-hmm.
So
yeah. So since you play guitar, are you able to show us a little bit or something? So
of course, yeah, I can show you if you can grab for me the guitar. So let me try to play something nice. Thank you.
Let's see.
This song, you know, this is, I wanna, because I love song. So I wanna sing like to one of the girls. I don't know the girls, if you're out there. I wanna make you actually feel proud that you girls are doing good.
Yeah.
Especially our Choli ladies. You are doing a good job.
You guys are all beautiful.
And you know, we appreciate you, but I have a very good melody, you know, for you girls.
Mm-hmm.
This song is Anongo Labe Mayumo Chunya, you know.
So are you able to explain that meaning?
It's like Anongo Labe Mayumo Chunya is like I got a girl, you know, my love, you know, that is a kind of love name, Labe.
Yeah, Labe.
You know, I got a girl that actually make me happy. You know, that's it about it, you know. And it's for me now to make her feel more comfortable, to make her feel proud that I love her.
Yeah, that's
but
really good.
I cannot do it. I have to play for her.
Hey.
So you girls there,
listen to the song.
Be careful.
Yeah, listen carefully.
Rumba. That was I like about rumba. Oh, my baby. And my Rumba, rumba way, Angola bay, my Yamutwinya, my baby, my Yamutwinya, my darling, my Yamutwinya, my darling way. Wow. Anwe, Angola bay, my Yamutwinya, Angola bay, my Yamutwinya.
Man, your fingers did
It's cool, eh?
It's
you
nice,
can just, when you kid my gojo, you feel this is a gojo ma agitwin. Like
so it
really,
comes from the heart.
Of course, music is in our heart.
Yeah.
So like I have the heart of music inside me. So that's why I need to express it out.
So when you're creating a song, you always have to have a meaning to the song, yeah?
Yes, of course. When I try to make a song first, I can sing anything. I can actually sing people. I can sing what is happening. You know, that's why people need to be aware that anyone make any mistake, I can sing about him.
Are you able to create a song from your mind, or?
Yeah, I can create. I can create songs.
Are you able to create?
Like now, I can even create one.
Are you able to create for us a little bit or something?
Yeah, I can create it now.
Okay, create for us a little bit of something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So right now he's just trying to create for us a little bit of something.
Banat Pojulu. I don't know, this thing is making me always feel I need to sing this song about Pojulu girls.
Pojulu girls.
Pojulu girls in Equatora. I don't know what is come, because music, like they say, music comes sometime at night. Say, hey, sing about this.
Yeah, music can come.
Yeah, so I want to sing. Oh, banat Pojulu into way. Banat Pojulu into way. Hanaligo, biniatai. Analigo, biniatai. Biniagiafa, banat Pojulu. Banat Pojulu, banat giafa. Banat giafa, banat giafa. Kani badero mara, rua fifo julu, banada quest fit. Kani badero mara, rua fifo julu. Banadiafa, banadiafa, banadiafa. Banat fifi fo julu ya jama. Oh, banadiafa, mama baby na. So, anything.
So I saw you mixing the languages. So how many languages do you speak?
I speak Kiswahili. Yeah, Kiswahili, Arabic, which is Arabic Juba, that I learned from, refugee camp. It make me actually, I learn a lot of things. So,
because they are around people who speak
around,
Arabic, yeah.
and the good thing I have many friends.
Yeah.
Because I love people, man.
Yeah.
I'm a peace guy.
It's always good.
Peacemaker, eh?
This is why you are a leader, Choli Chama.
Yeah, man. It's just, we need to express what we have. Yeah. So, and there's one song, even I can sing. It's about, HIV, AIDS.
Yeah.
It's here, actually, in Australia as well.
Yeah, but people are just not aware
Of course, people doesn't know. But I want to tell you guys there that you need to make sure you take care of yourself. This country that we are living in is not about just free country. But remember, in Africa, when you are making, coming here in Australia, we think that there's no AIDS here. But we do have HIV. So I have a song to promote or to sing about awareness. But in Kiswahili, that, like I said, I have many languages. So I can sing, I have in Kiswahili. Mimi na wewe tusonge na ukimwi. Which means you and me, we need to be careful with HIV. So HIV is for real. So we have it here as well, not only in Africa.
Yeah, people think. Yeah.
So that is the song.
Are you able to sing for us that song that you were just talking about, the HIV?
Yeah, the song is about ukimwi. So I'm gonna sing in Kiswahili. In solo, I'm gonna play it solo. So see how the solo will sound actually. Anwe nirawa, niraubake, silimte yoboma. Silimte yobolaya, antanyangau, ubiwa, niraubake, ea nirawa, niraubake, ea ubiwa. Mimi na wewe tumenapili, mimi na wewe tumenapili. Asali ni tamu, tena inadumu. Asali ni tamu. Baba na mama, sunge na ukimi. Mama na baba, sunge na ukimi. Yeah, man.
That's a nice song, man.
Yeah, HIV is for really. I performed this song when I think the girls were doing, is it the beauty?
Oh, yeah.
Last time.
The beauty
So
pageant.
it's awareness. We need to be ready that everything in this country, we have those kind of sickness.
Yeah,
And we need to be careful.
yeah, that's true. So since you have your other song, the one you were talking about before, where money me what in it, me go take what about you ne. What am we name mano?
Yeah, what
Just
am
like 1 minute of
Yeah.
just a little bit for preview,
Okay.
so people know what's coming.
Okay.
Let me
Okay.
put this for you.
All right.
That song is very meaningful.
Yeah.
So no matter where you are, you have to keep your culture. So yeah, culture is very important. That should be your #1 priority. Yeah.
Definitely.
Yep. So yeah. So that was your song, your newest one.
Yeah, that's new one. I have more lot.
A lot coming.
Yeah, so a lot coming. Just we need to be step by step. All the video will come, and there's even more song coming as well.
Oh yeah, we're just taking.
So
step
for
by.
me, I don't sleep.
Yeah.
I have to, when I have even 2 hours, I need to make something. Like
Yeah.
do something.
So you always have something to release. This.
Yeah,
So
definitely.
you have to always have something ready. Yeah.
There's plenty. And hopefully in the future, we'll try to make some show.
Yeah.
That's my biggest thing I'm dreaming of.
So main goal, yeah.
For especially the boys out there, our Choli boys, we need to make a change that we have the talent here.
Yeah.
Everyone has talent. But for me now, I need to do it. It doesn't mean that I'm a Choli chairman, but I was already having music in me.
Yeah.
You know, so.
So a lot of people don't know that you sing, right?
No.
They don't, but You're coming.
Yeah, no, the thing is like, look, you don't, you know, we have all our time,
Yeah.
and we need to be ready. You know, you never know who you are sitting with. You never know what he has. You know, but we have, and it is, you don't need to rush. Like with me, I've been singing for long. I have a lot of my music actually. And if I start releasing, people will say, where were you?
True.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, but for me, I'm a really very someone who, because I have the talent, I don't wanna be like, you know, show off.
Yeah.
That's not me.
Yeah.
But I wanna entertain people out there. Because I have it, I have to.
And
no matter whatever.
And you also want your music to teach people, right?
My main message is about teaching in music. That's it.
Yeah.
That is my main. That's why I need to bring a song to teach people not only our culture but different worldwide as well.
Yeah.
Especially I'm dealing with these young people. I'm dealing with young people. I like young people to see where they're going. That's my main goal.
And it's also good that you sing in different languages so people
Yeah.
understand too.
So
that's a good bit too.
Yeah, no, yeah, definitely. And with that, probably even if 2 other languages are add on that, then it will make, when I'm going to sing or somewhere, maybe I get another language, like, you know, if I'm going to perform in any other out there, like maybe Pojulu, whatever, I will make a song that, you know, feed them.
Yeah, and I can understand
as well, you know.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yeah.
That's other thing that I have, but that people doesn't know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
So, do you have any other things to tell us?
I want just to advise, especially for our fellow new talent, that especially here in Australia, Brisbane, if you have the talent, the time is right now. So join me, so that we can start something fresh for this 2020.
Yeah.
You know, we have the talent there, but our talent has the reason. And we need to start putting all those in pieces together so that we can work together, especially my Choli boys. I have few that they want to entertain people, but I want you guys to join me so that we work together.
Yeah.
We make something better in Brisbane. Not only Brisbane, we can even go within interstate just to, you know, teach people.
Yeah.
We can teach people through music. That's what I've started.
Yeah, that's
true. Through music.
Yeah, music has a lot
of
meaning.
It has a lot of meaning,
Yeah.
and all I want let them has to see where your music taking you. You don't need to force yourself. Like for me, example, mine, it come through, I can play instrument. That is me. I know some of other artists or whatever, they might not do that, but you don't need to feel so bad that why I'm not doing this.
Yeah.
That's how your talent come in a different way. So mine, it comes in a different way as well. But Amiro Chalo Titua Matiwa Brisbane Kanya.
Yeah.
Mira Wachage Tio Gachiel.
Yeah.
And the good thing now, you are now, we're gonna put you at a big promoter for us.
Yeah.
Actually here in Queensland. So Odia Entertainment. You know the video para. So this is, we're gonna begin from here. This guy will make us proud, and we need to actually help him as well. We support him so that he can get quality stuff, video for us. After this, you never know, we can even start making video movie.
Yeah.
You know, so that we teach people. But for me, I support him because I want his support, even through my talent, my music.
Yeah.
Mine, I have it with me. I did not force myself to be an entertainer, but God has given me that talent, so I need to use it. Maybe other people there can help them. I don't need to hide it. So my fellow young talent, join with me. I have this young guy here, Odia Entertainment. You can see it's a quality video. Ma Kiaho Timothy Mabe, why Brisbane community Kenya. Wamiro Kon Mameu, Kitiege Gimoge Ken, a Miro Timo program, Perimo birthday, or whatever. Near the end, the right guy, he's available 24/7. because what make changes in Brisbane. Not only Brisbane, and Ben Lobi Luan, Mitchell Interstate, Mitimogamo, but for now, what mirani teach per no matter. Teach matter mirror not done on me the example, I mean the teacher chan mirror team more. You know? And not no we need after that, what I'm not aware, Camiro coin, coin per we can help him on that. So again, we community me, like for me, I'm very happy and you need to continue with that.
Yeah, thank you.
So that our music cannot die. Like for me, man, I like saying when someone is there, I want to promote. Those are the things I like.
Yeah,
that's why my name is, I put my name is a president. It's not, president has a big meaning. Some people doesn't know why even I put my name.
Are you able to tell us a little bit of the meaning about Mr. President?
Oh yeah, Mr. President is not by accent, but I am a type of person I want in the future, maybe not in the future, I like actually to rule, to be a leader, you know, and that wisdom is, it just God has given it to me.
Yeah.
That, you know, because I have the quality of how, because I like saying when something is wrong, need to be, I like things, we need to look for future plan. I like it. I like things to be in order, to make sure everything nice, people are happy. You know, all the young people, they are doing well, those who are doing whatever. Just focus on what you are doing.
Yeah, sure.
So that's why I like, and one thing I like, I'm a man of peace.
Peace.
Peace. That's one thing. If you want to be a happy man,
peace.
Be a peacemaker.
Yeah, that's good.
And that's what you can rule the world in a good way. That's why, that is my meaning of my name. So it's not by accident.
Yeah.
It's not that I'm a chairman, but that was my name for the, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's a really good guy, really good singer. He has talent. So, what do you have any advice for those new singers, like new artists that are working to becoming singers?
Yeah. Advice. Advice. Ma mira waje. Pia mira waje bot dana tu agelab.
Yeah.
Yeah. Advice ma mira waje bot lutine tu actually ma kina ne taking it any kimamiro mire advice ni mire nong ni te kar peri mi nong ni mitimo gane maber pe chagi nyure ni inong itie level mamala dom neno wai pien eneni wacha cha ngeo industry mi we kira wajo rubanga mi moko bodana mia moko dano bina yana miro we piano neno ngan moni wero.
Yeah, that's true.
Pe time ki munu niang do atima advisory ni ke dinane itima mi lora ki ngat mo iriko industry enani inoni ngo ken piani plan muno mi chiro yani pe chere plan ma robang yigo iri ini chere plan pe padano ineno padano me nongoni twin mo ni tie ineno ni ngat mo ti ma be mi bene tem la ken ne mi bin industry eri bering at ma gene ni achiel bering at gene do be bering at ma tie active nena pien industry en mi activeness nena pien mi wacho gimo mi be active and plan per mi be ben you be plan per ngowe mi timo na nena pe jazo be do gimo ma ichare tuga kede pien as a contract tido contract my no ni kinena ni okay music ni entertain amira ate for this time it's fine the artist mo get him agimunu 5 years 10 years is done doing more but my advice per carperi kimira bene mi achiel miro wati gini gachiel munu gima ma tech industry mi we kimira ni we pero beri ma kachiel pe gina keni Keldana, we can work together.
Yeah, you have to support.
Yes, we work together. Example, we can do a launch of more songs.
Yeah.
You know, like for me, maybe all the 20 songs, whatever I have, what I'm okay, I'm not launching. All I want is the support from God. Other way more than entertaining, we work together with them. Go to, can then go. The next one, what you have more. It's just about we did that show. Will mean what you have talent within that show, not only mine.
Yeah, true.
So I advise Paramere, be honest and be patient. Don't rush. That's it.
Yeah. Can't take it between me where just go for it.
Yeah, you go for it because I'm telling you, here I know people wonder why I'm singing. People doesn't know, but I'm telling you, you need to know that I have the talent and I want to show to people out there that I do have. And this is the time I have to, of course, I don't need to hide it. But when you have that thing, not only singing, dancing as well.
Yeah, dancing.
We need more dancers because me and Chia, what video, we need dancer.
Yeah,
if we don't have a dancers, how can we make the video?
Yeah.
So I encourage any anyaga wobi maingi akari mon madong ki ngene ngeo miel. Very ready.
Yeah.
What don't you wear ma wamiro ni community tu ano very level ma mala this time. One what dog pain what better on mala what team got to onge better than 1 week what am I kanya as a choli whatever what am I can.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're gonna close it from here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or do you have any last words?
My last word is we need to commit ourselves. Igimo can more acquire. Example, man and I just direct about community. Kai neno ni tie gimo mangan mo luongo. Example. Chal so mo meno ni en the way en mo neno matie kaya ni. Pien peu tam nong ni en the way en ni ti chugi pege. The way en ni why. Cow making use to him a bear. The way en be you way my bear. Ma ki mira bene birthday way very why. Nyang wane. Waramo creating way. Why you birthday party kono pala 10 peri and kono pa nga peri matie why. Nyang wan mwatie kanya. Peu tami, munu giachia, peu tami wano mwatie kanya within and jale Brisbane, Australia. Waramo timo gimoko. Watimo gimo.
Yep.
Peu letting one down. Gimo iken tie. Ugo sim wane ana mira wemo. Wamira chiana ko chiana bino kena. Entertainment, chiana bino kena. Kangara tigi chwin wane en moe.
Yeah.
But mwa mira ne kwang bukere use. Inero ngan mo ne wero. Wane an man amira mani we moe ragi man. And that's how to promote mo. The way matika and jumatiki talent, marubang migi. Again, and munu give mira me but child down to a community. Yeah, what you ki talent, lubang ogo muki komwa, dana duangata. Magiti but Loneno ni okay, waramo bini standard. What waramo team is standard maybe more than dana mautiata when I quit we maugen, waramo team na.
Yeah.
But who being person you are, pian industry and kid done yeah, challenge duong unge. Challenge duong for what otero momot. No, actually wajo ni momot. Going on be you were. Munu mera the last word ma waji. But they'll put down
so you have to do it slowly. You have to
yes.
do it slowly.
Yes.
Slowly.
But we need them. They need to call us. They need to say, oh, we have something.
Yeah.
Just come and entertain them. Just come and entertain.
I know. Yeah, so if you have occasions and you want artists, we have an artist right here. Yeah, he would be more than happy to perform for you. Yeah, so yeah. Anthony, would you like to play one more song for us so we can exit, close our interview?
This song now I'm gonna play is about Acholi. And I'm proud to be Acholi. No, ana miro ni, pe miro wanin, wana Acholi miro wanin dongo lobo. Dongo lobo pire tek. Where anyway, I go buru Acholi.
Who win?
Who win ni? Idwi win we robe. Dongo lobo mire. Po time dongo lobo watimo gangi kan kuya. Iwa Australia kanye. Miro foundation tu apira tek. Kare waringo ganguja. Piro wangeni kan kwang ben wa yibiga mapol. Mi achiel wana chulo miro wan nongol tua. I Brisbane. Nena muga wa muwen dongo lobo.
Yeah.
Youth tu atiga dongo.
Yeah.
Miro wan nong foundation tua wa ugawang bere mayot.
Yeah.
So where I go, especially me one not in a chulo miro. Pe wanin cha en mini no koron. One nene watimo gimo mayumo chwinywa. One dana motia. A lower any man motia, especially why Brisbane. The man is still motia. Mira wati ma tek. Kagi monetia why you bega chiel or beri ma pair. neno dongo lobo munu we mago pe uno tino wa wo inkira we ram kworo gare
Mr. President.
That's it.
Dongo lobo. Dongo lobo.
Yeah, that is the video is still after this is loading. I have a lot of songs. Just be patient. Wait, Bino
one by one.
One by one. Just with video you need to be patient.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's all I have.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you for joining us today on World Law on Dear Entertainment. So before you will leave, just say your name. Just in case the man forgot, just say your name one more time. They need to know.
My name is Mr. President.
Mr. President.
Anthony Geru.
That's his name. And yeah, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, like, share. This is our upcoming artist. He's finally arrived. He's willing to share his talent with you guys. So yeah, if you need any performance or at your occasions, he's available. Just call him.
I don't need money.
Yeah, just to entertain.
The money will come later.
Yep. So don't worry. Anthony, let's do you have one more Lakubuku song that you can play so we can exit with it?
Lakubuku, okay. De la Kubukubu, de la Kubukubu, yeah. That's the one. That's the one. 20, 20, 20, 20 on fire.